Okay. Hi there. Today's topic is going to be extending your downspout and sump pump expulsion pipes. This is a downspout. Water that lands on your roof should be, if properly installed, directed to the gutter system. The gutter system then directs that water to the downspout, bringing that water to the ground. What you don't want is water collecting around your foundation. So what we do is go to your local hardware store, always shop local, add an extension to the downspout mouth, and pull that away from the home, thereby directing that water away from your house. I recommend at least 10 feet, go further if you can. The more water you get away from the home, the drier your basement is likely to be. Let's look at a sump pump expulsion pipe. Here, we have a expulsion pipe coming from the sump pump in the basement. If you don't know what a sump pump is, we'll cover that in another video. Water that gets to the sump pump actually drains through the earth, around your foundation, through a series of pipes. We'll go into that when we talk about sump pumps. Gets to the sump pump and is then kicked and expelled from here, intending to push that water away from the home. This sump pump expulsion pipe is installed in such a way that any water that comes out is going to land here, ultimately going back into the earth and right back to the sump pump. That's not what you want. So the same extension we would put on the downspout pipe, you install it here, and I recommend screwing the extension to the pipe and to the downspout, and then running it at least 10 feet away from the home, further if you can. All right, that is extending your downspout and sump pump expulsion pipes. Keep in mind you want to extend all of your downspout and sump pump expulsion pipes to carry water at least 10 feet away from the home. Any questions about that, please email me at info@rightinspector.com. I'll post a link to that in the description box. And please do email me about other topics you'd like to talk about. Thanks for watching. Good day.